Today I'm going to show you exactly to preview your email campaign in Mailmeteor in just a few minutes. Previewing your mail merge is a great way to make sure everything looks right, verify your merge tags and prevent merge failures before you hit send. Step 1. Once you've opened the Mailmeteor dashboard and you've created a new campaign with your merge tags, navigate right over to the Show Preview button and click it. Step 2. Review your personalization. Mailmeteor automatically replaces variables like first name with the corresponding value from your spreadsheet. If a value is missing, it simply leaves a blank space so you don't get any embarrassing merge errors. Step 3. Use the navigation arrows right here at the top to scroll through individual recipients to make sure everything looks perfect. You can also toggle the mobile view right here to ensure your layout is responsive on smaller screens. Step 4. Finally, I highly recommend sending yourself a test email as a final check before launching your campaign. Now, if you want to read through these steps, check out the full article linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gmail tips, and in the meantime, happy emailing.